In this chapter, I'll be talking about combinatorics, specifically non-sequential sampling with returns. Now, this isn't a very common topic to encounter, but we do have to talk about it. So, the number of ways for selecting k objects, not necessarily different, right? That means that we can choose the same object more than once from n objects where the order of the sampled objects is not important and the object can be selected more than once is this expression right here. That's n plus k minus 1 over k, and that equals to n plus k minus 1 over n minus 1. Now, this equality is very simple to prove, so I'll leave that up to you. Now, we can also see this notation. We can see C superscript k subscript n plus k minus 1, or C superscript n minus 1 subscript n plus k minus 1. Now, I won't be using this notation right here. I'll be using this notation, right? But I mention it because we do see this in the literature sometimes.